This AT Trader Today video is worth watching because I'm going to show you how I use the Amazing Trader and its drill down to identify what side of the market to trade, then look for an AT ladder pattern where I can employ our strategy to execute a trade, as you're going to see in the following. This is my AT Trader Today, August 22nd, 2022. It's in the SPX 500. The reason I'm showing you this one is because I went out of my comfort zone, which is to focus on mainly the currency market, and traded a stock indice. Went short here at 41.6724. Take profit was 41.5789, and the stop was at 41.7472. This was a AT ladder trade. Had a fairly quick turnaround. These lines were not in yet, so I am going to show you when I put it on over here. I put my stop above this line here, which is, according to our trading guide, the preceding line ahead of this new low for this episode, dominating by blue Amazing Trader lines. It's a 5-minute chart right now. So I knew where my stop was. Put it in. I used a 1.25 to 1 as our default risk reward. That can always be extended, but I stuck with a default. Relatively tight stop and achievable profit, which was taken, as you can see below here. So let's look at the logic behind the trade and why I was looking to trade from the short side. And when I saw a ladder building, I put the trade on. What caught my attention in the weekly chart, using the Amazing Trader lines, was this trend line and how we bounced off it last week. That was the first sign. Then I looked at the daily chart, and daily chart, we tried to get through this line over here, key Amazing Trader line. Not key, but fairly significant, and we did not hold above it. Then if you went to the 4-hour chart, we were starting to build AT ladders to the downside. And again, looking at the 1-hour chart, again, blue lines were starting to dominate. So it told me that we could trade from the short side. And when I went down and saw a 15-minute chart starting to build, but when I looked at the 5-minute chart, I had a clear ladder building. As I said, these lines were not in yet. Had a trend line above. I had my preceding lines. I knew where to put my stop. All fully explained in the AT Trading Guide. And I had a very good, what I saw, odds on working out risk-reward trade using the Amazing Trader with the SPX 500, and you can see how this worked out. For more information on our amazing program, visit our website at this link over here, or if you want to contact me directly, just use Jay at theamazingtrader.com.